Hello friends, welcome to AcadFly powered by Physics Wala. My name is Dr. Arushi Tuli, and in today's video we're going to talk about when you should go abroad, either after 12th or after graduation. So this is a confusion among a lot of students. So we have received a lot of queries regarding the same. कि आज हम बात करेंगे कि 12th के बाद जाने के फायदे और नुकसान क्या हैं और ग्रेजुएशन के बाद अब्रॉड जाने के फायदे और नुकसान क्या हैं. So let's just get into the video for today. So let's get started. So the first thing we are going to talk about are the advantages of going abroad after 12th class. So let's start with that. So we can see as one go to the abroad, that is overseas, it is very education is holistic. Like holistic माने बहुत ज़्यादा wider view पे education होती है and it is in a better format. What better format? How it is holistic? We are going to see. Universities abroad consider extracurricular as an integral part of themselves. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है, बहुत सारी जगह ऐसा होता है that a lot of students during their 12th they are not involved in extracurricular activities, they are more into studying and studying and studying. But after you go to abroad, you start doing your graduation after 12, they not only focus on your studies but they also focus on a lot of extracurricular activities, and you will also get added advantage if you were good in extracurricular activities in your 12th class. So the next thing we can see is more opportunities for students with varied interest there. Suppose if you are choosing something for graduation in a science or a computer background or any other background, you will be getting a lot more combination of subjects in abroad. Like you can combine different subjects. Suppose if you are wanting to be a data scientist in future, you can combine IP, computers, economics together or anything you are willing to. So the combination of subjects and approach is very wide over there. Next is deliver quality education and empower students with more skill orientation. Now, what happens when you go abroad? So, they are more focusing on the practical work, the skill oriented work. They are not only into studying, but they are also into practical and skill based approach. कि ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ वहां जा रहे हैं तो थ्योरी चल रहा है. There is a lot more than that they focus on students on. Now, the next thing is, on the flip side, Indian universities are highly competitive and grade oriented. Again, the point is same, कि Indian universities more overly focus on your grades, on your study academics, but when you go abroad, they focus not only on your academics, but they have a wider vision according to your extracurricular activities, practical, skill orientation, and many more. So if you are going abroad after 12th, these are some advantages that you're going to definitely get. The next thing is practical learning opportunities, hands-on experience. Again, as we talked about, more the practical approach, the more skill-based approach is over there. So definitely that's very good. Encourage interest in research and higher studies. So once you started graduation over there, now the thing is they will be definitely motivating you for research work, study work. You will definitely get you to know your interest, which is a very important part. A lot of students in India, they are not able to know what they are interested in during their graduation time. Now there that is an added advantage कि वहाँ आप इतने subjects से combination ले सकते हो कि till your graduation completes you get to know in which field you are good at and किस चीज़ में आप best हैं, तो आप आगे जाके उसी field में research या post graduation कर सकते हो, which is again an advantage over here. So the next thing we are going to see is the development of personal and management skills. Now, not only about the studying thing, your own personality and development skills we are going to talk about. So the intellectual communication and independent management, of course. If after 12th you are just a kid, you are going outside, you're definitely going to manage yourself. You're going to learn a lot of things. You're going to meet different cultural variety of students, because not only students from India will be coming, there are students from all over the world will be coming to foreign universities. So you're going to get a lot of different exposure. Your communication is going to be good. You might learn different languages as well, because जब हम अलग-अलग friends बनाते हैं तो हम उनसे उनकी चीज़ें सीखते हैं, उनका culture सीखते हैं, तो which is again super amazing. So the next thing is maturity and survival in diverse environment. Definitely we have talked about this, and building job ready skills. So overall personality development and management skill development होता है, जिससे आप future oriented jobs हो गए या किसी भी research field, anything you are going in, your personality as a person also develops, which is again an amazing thing. The next thing we'll see the access to modern facilities. Now, when we are talking about modern facilities, ma'am, what are we talking about here? We are talking about the improvised and the modern technology coming over here. Suppose you are doing a course in computer and we'll be talking about the latest software that is going on or the latest computer that is in the market. So they are focusing students to access the latest technology, especially in the STEM fields. for their graduation. State-of-art laboratories, libraries, research centers are commonly available. So whenever you are studying in those universities, they have like a lot of things. They have different libraries, research centers, different kind of latest technology. So you're not only limited to the studying part, you have also access to a lot of library things, a lot of technology things, so that you can improvise your skills. So the next thing we are going to see, flexible career options definitely, क्योंकि 12th के बाद यूजुअली ऐसा होता है इंसान 12th तक भी कंफ्यूज होता है, ग्रेजुएशन में आते आते भी बहुत कंफ्यूजन में रहता है. So after you complete your graduation, you definitely get a flexible options. Bachelor courses allow exploration and experimentation. आप अपनी bachelor's के टाइम पे काफ़ी एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हो with the subjects. Flexibility in choosing major and minor, इस टॉपिक पे हमने डिस्कस किया है. Suppose if you are doing BSc over here and BSc over there, you can have a different combination of subjects. That is the best, that is a major advantage कि वहाँ आप मेजर और माइनर सब्जेक्ट्स को कंबाइन कर सकते हो, कुछ डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशन बनवा सकते हो. प्लस यूनिवर्सिटीज हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. So the next thing is gain practical experience through internships and co-programs. So over there, the one thing that they are emphasizing on is they definitely ask students to go for different internships or different programs so that they develop their skills. उन्हें उनकी जॉब करने की आदत या स्किल्स डेवलपमेंट की आदत या अपना इंटरेस्ट जानने की आदत शुरू से लगने लगे. So that is again added advantage. Global job opportunities, of course, if you are going into a good university. Again, I'll be mentioning, if you are going into a good university abroad, definitely the global job opportunities are better for you. Better international engagement and networking. क्योंकि जब आप एक मल्टीकल्चरल एनवायरनमेंट में पढ़ रहे हो, आप काफ़ी अच्छी नेटवर्किंग बनाते हो विद द स्टूडेंट्स, विद द एल्यूमनाइज, विद द प्रोफेसर्स, एंड ओवरऑल स्किल डेवलपमेंट भी करते हो. तो ईजिली इंटरनेशनली ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड आप किसी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करना चाहते हो, दैट इज सुपरबली ईजी ओवर देयर. Then advantages in industry like business, tech and fashion is definitely commonly seen over there. So now we'll be talking about on the advantages after graduation, that if you're going to pursue PG, that is the post-graduation programs. So we're going to talk about that. What is the advantage for that? Cost free. Okay, so basically what happens, the graduation courses are more expensive side rather than the post-graduation courses. So PG courses, especially they are of shorter duration, more cheaper, plus more scholarship opportunities, funds and a lot of opportunities for grants is also available in the PG courses. Easier to manage education loan and expenses. Normally जब लोग PG करने जाते हैं बाहर, तो उन लोग यहाँ से जॉब एक्सपीरियंस लेके जाते हैं या अपने ग्रेजुएशन टाइम से काफ़ी नॉलेज लेके जाते हैं, तो काफ़ी मेच्योर हो जाता है. सी एक बच्चा जो 17 ईयर्स का है आफ्टर 12th क्लास, वो अब्रॉड जा रहा है, और समवन ऑफ 21 ईयर्स गोइंग अब्रॉड, देयर इज डेफिनेटली अ डिफरेंस. वो इंसान मेच्योर है, वो अपने फंड्स, अपने लोन्स, अपने एक्सपेंसेस खुद हैंडल करना जानता है, सीख जाता है, या उसको पता होता है व्हाट दे वांट. तो डेफिनेटली अगर आप पीजी कोर्स की बात करो तो दैट वुड बी अ बिट ईजियर देन गोइंग फॉर ग्रेजुएशन. Now the other thing is career clarity. The same thing we talked about. The older you are on your age, like a 17 and a 21-year-old kid, so the better, the maturity is better. So you are clearer towards your goals in life कि मुझे क्या बनना है, मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ, मेरा किस सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट है. Avoiding mistakes in course selection, of course, we have talked about that. The next thing is networking opportunities. This is again the same with the we have been in studying in the graduation. The post-graduation also provides you with global networking, definitely. You will be meeting students from different genre, different countries. So your networking is gonna expand your circle in PG courses. Definitely connection with global professionals. Of course, that's gonna happen. So the next thing is short-term programs. You have also not only PG degrees, but you can also have diploma, certificate course, fellowship programs, जो कि 2 months, 6 months, 1 year ऐसे भी होते हैं. तो even not if you are not opting for any post graduation degree, you can go for a diploma, fellowship, certificate. तो बहुत option हो जाते हैं आपके लिए. In if you are talking about post grad programs, can be job specific for professional enrichment. Definitely for job, it is definitely better. Now we have discussed the advantages for both of the things, the after 12th and after graduation. Now we are going to talk about the challenges you will face. So the challenges if you are going to face if you are going after 12th class. So what will be that? Career clarity issue. That is a major problem with a kid who is young. बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जो 12th के बाद उन्होंने इंडिया में बहुत सारे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स दिए होते हैं. दे आर नॉट इन टू अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड कि यार हम लोग आगे कौन सा कोर्स ऑप्ट करना चाहते हैं, बहुत कंफ्यूजन में रहते हैं, क्लैरिटी नहीं होती है करियर को लेके. तो ये एक चैलेंज फेस करना पड़ सकता है बिकॉज Going abroad is not an easy decision. You are leaving your family, your parents and everything and you're moving abroad. तो डेफिनेटली आप लोगों को क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए, इन्वेस्टिंग अ होल लॉट ऑफ मनी ओवर देयर. तो दैट इज डेफिनेटली अ प्रॉब्लम overseas when a student after 12th goes abroad. Better planning and decision making is required at a particular age, where in case of some students that is missing. Admission process. Not many students engage in extracurricular activities during their school. तो normally क्या होता है, उन लोगों का स्किल डेवलपमेंट इतना प्रॉपर नहीं होता है, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी में इतना इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं होता, तो वहाँ पे कॉलेजेस में अप्लाई करने में भी बहुत बार दिक्कत आती है. देन कॉलेजेस कैन बी अ गुड टाइम टू गैदर सर्टिफिकेट, बिल्ड अ प्रोफाइल एंड स्टैंडर्डाइज. अब इसका लाइन का मतलब क्या है कि जब आप यहाँ पे अपनी ओन कंट्री में ग्रेजुएशन करते हो तो आपको क्या है, थोड़ा क्लैरिटी हो जाती है, आप मेच्योर हो जाते हो एज के साथ, एक तो प्लस आपको नॉलेज हो जाती है एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट की, आप अपने करियर में थोड़ा क्लैरिटी हो जाती है. और दूसरी चीज़ ये होती है कि आपको पता चल जाता है कि यार मुझे मेरी प्रोफाइल कैसे बिल्ड करनी है. अगर मुझे पीजी करने फॉरेन जाना है तो मैं अगर ये 2 जॉब कर लूँ, मैं ये इंटर्नशिप कर लूँ, मैं ये सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स कर लूँ, तो आपकी प्रोफाइल बहुत अच्छी बन जाती है. जिससे क्या होता है, आपका जैसे लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन हो गया, आपका स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस हो गया, आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स हो गए, काफ़ी इफेक्टिव हो जाते हैं, जिससे आपको अब्रॉड में बहुत अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी मिलने के चांस बढ़ जाते हैं, जो इस केस में थोड़ा लैक हो सकता है. बिकॉज 12th क्लास तक बहुत सारे बच्चों के पास बहुत सारे अच्छी प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग नहीं होती है. यूजुअली अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर जस्ट ओनली इनटू स्टडिंग ड्यूरिंग देयर 12th क्लास. तो एक प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग कैन बी अ प्रॉब्लम. द नेक्स्ट थिंग्स आर द चैलेंजेस फेस दैट यू फेस आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन, अगर आप अब्रॉड जा रहे हो तो. So employment challenges. Now some countries do not offer jobs to foreign students after they complete their education. Now this is a point which is very minor actually, कि कुछ कंट्रीज ऐसी होती हैं जो प्रेफर करती हैं उनके लोकल्स को ही जॉब देना rather than the foreign students. सपोज आपने किसी कंट्री से वहाँ से स्टडी करा बट वहाँ जॉब मिलना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज देयर इज अ प्रेफरेंस फॉर देम. तो ये चैलेंज फेस करना पड़ सकता है. चेकिंग इमिग्रेशन रूल्स, एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज बिफोर स्टडिंग अब्रॉड इज रिक्वायर्ड. बहुत लोग अपनी इमिग्रेशन पॉलिसी, अपने पासपोर्ट एक्सपायरी, वीजा एक्सपायरी चेक नहीं करते हैं एंड देन दैट कैन बी एन इशू इन लॉन्ग टर्म. Next thing is degree recognition. Degree acceptance in home country can be a challenge that allows him or her to get a job. Now, acceptance of a degree is a very important thing. बहुत लोग क्या है, कुछ जल्दी जल्दी के चक्कर में कुछ ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटीज में एडमिशन ले लेते हैं और वो वापस जब इंडिया सेटल होना चाहते हैं तो व्हाट हैपेंस, देयर डिग्री इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड हियर. हम उस डिग्री को नहीं मानते हैं कि भाई ये कोई अच्छी डिग्री है. सो दैट इज अ सिनेरियो व्हिच हैपेंस इन केस ऑफ सम स्टूडेंट्स डेफिनेटली. नाउ द ओवरऑल कंक्लूजन कि exactly what should be done. So we have already talked about a lot of things. Now make the right choice. Studying abroad can expand professional horizon. Therefore, thoroughly choose options that align with your career goals and preference. Now अब आपने देख लिया है एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज सब कुछ, तो अब आप पहले ये सोचो आप करियर में करना क्या चाहते हो. क्लैरिटी लाओ अपनी लाइफ में, आपके गोल्स क्या हैं, आपका इंटरेस्ट क्या है, सो दैट जब आप अब्रॉड जा रहे हो तो आप एक क्लियर माइंडसेट के साथ जा रहे हो कि मुझे ये करना है. This is what I want to do. I want to settle there. I want to come back to India. Either only want to do graduation or I want to research. I want to do post graduation. तो clarity लानी बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो try कि आप अपनी वो चीज़ पर work करें. Now at the end, I'll be thanking you all for attending this video lecture and I hope all your doubts are clear over here. अगर इसके अलावा भी कोई doubts हैं तो we'll be happy to address your doubts in the comment section. You can definitely drop it into the comment section about your doubts. So we'll try to make a video on those doubts definitely about it. But जब भी आप कोई decision ले रहे हैं life में, be clear about it. It's nothing, it's definitely a good opportunity going abroad and even staying in your own country. So the decision is all on you. Align your goals, align your career and you will be good to go. So thank you all and meet you in the next. Bye bye.